All right, y'all. Hey, listen, we're crossing 10,000 feet. Let's go ahead and turn on our arrival lights, y'all. Start lighting this bird up. There we go. Light this bird up a little bit here. There we go. There we go. Light it right on up. Sweet.
We got windows in our back behind me. At nighttime.
Light it right up.
Makes it look like I'm on top of the roof of a building, man. It don't look like I'm in a house, you know, with these windows. That's beautiful, isn't it? You see the city behind me, the lights behind me. Doesn't even look like I'm even in the house. I see cars driving by behind me and shit too. That's what's up.
Wait, you recorded last night?
3 nights ago. 2 nights ago. I don't know. It wasn't last night though.
All right, normally we'll be getting our vectors right now. Air traffic control will be giving our vectors as far as what direction of heading they want us to go right now. Like I said, since they're not here right now, we're gonna go direct to our approach transition, which is what is that approach transition, y'all? It's Kilma. Okay. Our speeds are 245 knots. We're gonna start descending our speed by Kilma. Speed's gonna come down to 228 by Kilma. Okay, keep an eye on that kind of stuff there. There we go. Start to make that turn. Y'all can see we're gonna start heading towards Kilma. Kilma's our transition for our final approach, y'all. And what's the next altitude? It's looking for 2,800 as far as the next altitude. That's bringing her down to. So it's coming down nicely, y'all. It's coming down nicely. Coming down nicely. Airport's gonna be off in this direction over here as we make our turn. Ah, we can see our airport, y'all. There it is. I believe that's New Jersey. It's our airport right there, I believe. Yeah, I think it is. I believe it is.
The things you purchase like via Amazon, it only shows up as Amazon Marketplace. Things that you purchase for like Chewy.com, straight from the website, will show up as Chewy.com on the website.
Don't wash my purses.
Huh?
Don't wash my purses.
I'm just trying to tell you. You ask me questions about
You just showed up on
me
the
looking
map
at
there.
shit, man.
That, our final approach here. We're gonna make our turn
Huh?
on runway once we pass Kill.
Amazon shows up as Amazon Marketplace.
We're gonna turn 185
Huh?
degrees to gritty.
So it doesn't tell you everything, baby.
39 degrees to catch our glide slope. And I mentioned to you before,
Huh?
so you have to catch our glide slope by the time we hit.
Oh, Chewy's done.
at 17 degrees.
Amazon's
7
pending.
sharp glide slope, folks, all right? That's the plan.
You're welcome, baby. Finally using your card, man. Thank God. Yeah, I mean, that man, points go up faster, baby. We can do more shit. That's what I'm saying, man. We can do so much with our points, baby. Huh?
Landing gear.
Okay?
Landing gear.
We're landing deck down.
Landing gear. Landing gear.
Landing gear's coming down.
Landing gear. $2,500. Stabilizer motion.
All right, Sean, let's go ahead and bring it in here. Newark traffic. This is FedEx 1979 Heavy. Current on final approach, only 04 right.
Stabilizer motion. All right, we see the glide slope coming down. Here it comes. All right, glide slopes captured. Spring ready, y'all.
Climb, crossing, climb. Climb, crossing, climb.
Stabilizer motion. 1000.
Should be approaching our minimums, y'all. All right, look at to our left. What in the heck? Oh my God, come on, really?
Clear of conflict.
$500. $400.
Sync rate. Sync rate.
Autopilot.
Sync rate. Sync rate.
Autopilot.
Glide slope.
200.
Glide